PDGs and upcoming DGs present here in the webinar. All Rotary leaders, very good evening. And I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to the webinar of the day. Also, let me introduce our chief guest, Rotarian Major Donor, DGN Dr. Rajesh Subhash. Dr. Rajesh is a second generation hardcore Rotarian. He was adjudged outstanding secretary in the year 2013 and 14. Past president of Rotary Club Midtown, during which he bagged the Best President's Award for 2015 and 16. Again, in 2017, he was awarded as the Best Governor. He was the chairman of District Assembly, Gurukul 2018. Dr. Rajesh was instrumental in connecting Rotary with Dr. Asad Moopen, resulting in the Aster Rotary Rebuilding Kerala movement. He was the co-chairman for the last district conference, KALP 2019 at Wayanad. He was the mastermind behind the Pets and Sets at Bangalore Aksharam 2019. He loves traveling, socializing, philanthropy activities through various organizations like Rotary, where he is a major donor and a benefactor of TRF. The second from District 3202. He has also now become an End Polio Fellow. Latest is him being instrumental in setting up a Rotary ICU in Calicut Government Medical College with 65 vital medical equipments, including 4 ventilators, in a record time of 15 days for COVID-19 patients. Recognizing his commitment to Rotary and the leadership qualities he had displayed over the years, he has been chosen unanimously by 3202 to lead the new bifurcated Rotary District 3204 as its first district governor in 2021 and 2022. Presenting this district governor nominee, Rotarian Major Donor and benefactor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash. So, let me take this opportunity. Also, I would like to introduce our speaker of the day, Rotarian MPHF P. Balasubramanian as well. Rotarian Balu, born on 15 June 1956, Somanturai, Chittoor in Tamil Nadu. Did his schooling in Trichy district and he was awarded the National Merit Scholarship for his SLC performance. Graduated in graduated in metallurgy from PSG Limited for 6 years after his graduation. Then worked with the Shakti Polytechnic College in 1986 and retired as HOD in metallurgy in 2016. Joined in Rotary in June 1981 at Rotary Club of Shakti Nagar. He held various positions in Rotary, was the president in 1999 and 2000. During this period, obtained a matching grant worth of 44K US dollars. Then he held the district level positions as GGR, AG, DRFC district secretary twice. Visited USA as a GSC team leader in 2010-2011. During this period, obtained 2 matching grants worth of 20K US dollars. Rotarian Balu bagged awards best president, best district officer twice, outstanding district officer for wins in the last year, the highest Rotary award of meritorious service award from Rotary International in 2012 and 2013. Rotarian Balu's hobbies are reading and counseling. I am very glad to present Rotarian MPHF B. Balasubramanian here. Thank you all.
Before we start, can we have the district governor for his opening remarks? Karthikeyan, over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Bharat, the meeting host, our BGN, Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Rajesh, and today's speaker, Rotarian Balu, seasoned man from Rotary, our past district governor, George Sundaraj, and district chief sergeant at arms, Dr. Ranganathan, and we have all the senior Rotarians are here, mighty president and secretaries of torch bearers. I call them as an people of action. I think we are on the third, fourth day at the Zoom meet seminar. So we are just going to discuss about the WINS program, which is vital in our Rotary. And we have also given more importance for the WINS program. We have requested all the clubs to do 5 programs as a mandatory programs. That in that 3 as an orientations and 2 should be a practical one, physical one. That was the target. It is all given for all the president and secretaries. To my knowledge, whichever club I have visited, they have also done that WINS program very well. It's a vital program in the Rotary, and it is a vital program for the young children, where they have to be very hygiene, which is going to help them a lot in the life. For this program, for this meet, orientation seminar, all Rotarians are here. I warmly welcome one and all for this 4th day of this Zoom meeting. I thank once again Rotary Club of Mancheri for hosting this meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, DG Karthikeyan. Now the floor is yours, Rajesh Subhash. You have a very beautiful background. How do you manage it? Unmute it and then you can start. I request all the participants to please unmute and then don't disturb within the in between the speech. Over to you, Rajesh.
Okay. Thank you, Rotarian Bharatdas, for organizing this wonderful program. I think it's been really what I can say is a runaway hit. Everybody is talking so positively, and the fact that you're putting it up on YouTube is also, we can go through the, especially I was going through yesterday's polio was really quite a charged event that was there. So nice to meet every one of you. DG is there, and my DG, Dr. George is there, along with Madam Priscilla. But I think both of you should have been sitting just like that lovebird down there, Gayatri and Balaji, how they are sitting down there. That would have been much more romantic. Okay, then Dr. Surendran, we have Raviatan, then our mama is there. I was expecting his 4-way test and the prayer to be happening for today's
That's
event.
how we started. That's how we started. Without Ranganathan, we don't have any program.
Okay. Kumari Chechi, and then you have Bashir. Both the Sureshas are there from Ooty, Dr. Anil Kuriakos, Ashok Etan, then my own club president, and then Sajid from Central. Anyway, warm good evening to every one of you. So when Bharatdas was telling that, he's allotting 15 minutes to me, I said, no. The highlight is for our main speaker, WINS Balu. Well, even when we went to the South Asia office, when you talk about WINS, the first name that comes to everybody's mind down there is Balu. WINS Balu, that is how he is known. So I'm really wondering what's going to happen next year when they are separating the WINS into water and sanitation as separate. So we'll see a double role of Balu probably around that time. Okay, so anyway, today I thought just as a prelude, I thought I'll just share about that how to wash your hands properly for every one of you. Okay, it's a video which you could show and why you need to do it in that particular manner so that it covers. So Dr. George and all the surgeons, definitely they know that the importance of having to wash this. So I'll just play that video right now. Okay, I hope you can see it.
Yeah, visible. Start.
എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ കൈയ്യ് പ്രോപ്പർ ഹാൻഡ് വാഷ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടുള്ള ഡെമോ ആണിത്. ഇപ്പൊ സോപ്പിന്റെ പകരം ഞാൻ ഈ പെയിന്റ് മാത്രമായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയാണ്.
I'm just using a paint instead of a soap solution.
കൈ ഒരുമിച്ച് ഒന്ന് ലാദർ ചെയ്യുക. ലാദർ ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം നമ്മുടെ വിരലുകളുടെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് പിന്നെ മറുവശത്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോഴേ നമ്മുടെ നക്കിൾസ് കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല.
You can see that the knuckles are not covered even after that. So you need to wash on this step.
മറ്റേ സൈഡില് നക്കിൾസ് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോഴും വിരലുടെ അറ്റം കവർ
See,
ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല.
still the fingertips is not covered. So you need to do this to cover the fingertips.
വിരല് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് കവർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ തമ്പ് ഇതുവരെ കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല.
The thumb is still not covered. So you need to do this maneuver to cover the thumb
അതിനുശേഷം
and finally the wrist.
നമ്മുടെ wrist.
Okay, so when you follow these steps, almost every part of your hand is covered.
നമ്മുടെ കൈയിന്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗങ്ങളും നമ്മൾ കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Okay, so I think with just that prelude, I think I'll hand it over to Vince Balu for the main talk.
Balu, floor is yours. Balu, unmute and then talk. PDG Shiva has come. If Balu takes time, we can ask Shiva to continue. Shiva, would you like to say something?
Namaskaram, my dear friends. First, I would like to congratulate Bharat Das for doing these seminars wonderful. And this is something wonderful Bharat Das is doing, and in general, Manjeri Club has taken up the initiative to conduct this. My congratulations to Manjeri Rotary and Bharat Das. And my congratulations to Dr. Rajesh. He has done wonderful in that Calicut Medical College Hospital project. And all the clubs in Calicut have come together, and DGN has taken an initiative to complete that project. And they are also planning to go for the global grant, which they will do it in future. And regarding today's topic, winds, like DGN said, the winds have been, they made it as two separate verticals, that is water separate, and sanitation they made it as a separate, sanitation and hygiene. And I'm fortunate enough to being appointed as the zonal water coordinator, comprising of the 3 districts, our district, and 3201 and 2981. And we've been going through the training for the past almost 2 weeks. Every alternative day, we are having the training with our chairman, and RI president nominee, Shekhar Mehta is also there. And we also had a wonderful meeting with the ministers pertaining to this area, Jal Shakti minister. And we also had a meeting with Prakash Javadekar. And the Rotary India is taken up pretty serious about these projects, that hygiene and sanitation and the water. And there are a lot of scope is there for our clubs to do water related projects. And most of the clubs are doing already. I've seen in Kerala, a lot of clubs are doing rainwater harvesting and rainwater charging back into the well. And a lot of things we've been already doing. And they also want us to do the awareness, create an awareness for saving the water, and what are the ways to save water and how to save the rainwater, or desilting of ponds, lakes, and dams, stuff kind of thing, and the building of check dams. These are the things they want us to do. They have also given us the target for 5 years. And every year, say for example, every year we need to promote our Rotarians' houses or the non-Rotarians' houses 250 installations of rainwater harvesting or rainwater charging, and even the grey water reusing is also comes under this. And so it is every Rotarian can also participate in saving the water and saving the rainwater. This is the project which we should be doing it, giving an importance in the coming next 5 years. The Rotary India is giving. Likewise, they are also doing it for the sanitation and health, hunger, and everything. They have made it separate, and they are focusing on. They have appointed the past district governors as the coordinators, and they will also be giving the ideas about what are the projects we can do in future. So coming from 2021 onwards, it's going to be very specific and focused priorities we can do, and we are also getting a lot of help and guidelines from the Rotary India leadership. Rotary President, Rotary International President nominee Shekhar Mehta is very accessible, and he is also giving a lot of ideas to the Rotarians for the projects. What are it is not something like they usually before they used to say we have to do the rainwater harvesting, but they are also giving us an idea, and they are also giving us how this can be done, and what are the projects, what is the target, and how we can get the target, how we can raise the funds for building the check dams, how we can involve the local governments. And for example, they have geo-tagged the location which requires further check dams. Also, they have already done in the entire country. They have done. So they will share it with us. So likewise for every verticals they have done. They are doing like this. So much of help we never got from the Rotary India leadership. So the coming years it's going to be very helpful, and our Rotary India's leadership is going to be very active, and our district also, all the Rotary districts will be benefiting from the active leadership of Rotary India and Rotary International nominee Shekhar in particular. And this is going to be helpful for our clubs also. We can identify the projects, and it is like a menu. We can select what according to our budget, we can do it. So this is going to be much easier coming years. And these are the few things I wanted to say. And if Balu is ready, I have sent the presentation to Balu. If Balu is ready, he can go ahead with the presentation.
Yeah, Balu is ready.
Yeah,
Balu,
please.
over to you, Balu. Thank you, Shiva, for the words of wisdom. And now, thank you very much for having joined us and then briefing us, because people don't know about the water and other things. Now over to Balu. Please unmute and then start. Balu, where are you?
I'm here. Are you hearing me?
Yeah. Carry on.
We are hearing you. We are not able to see you.
Vince ball is now it's a silent ball.
Balu, you have any problem? We are not. Your video is not visible.
You have to unmute and talk, Mr. Balu. Unmute the phone.
Yes. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah.
Not visible.
Huh?
No problem. You continue.
Hello?
You can continue.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you, Balu.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you, but your video has not come. You have
Again, you have gone to mute. Unmute and talk. I think he's trying to bring a video.
That's what.
Bharat, are you hearing me?
We can hear you, but your video is not visible.
No video. I can talk.
Yeah,
I'm
please carry on.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Actually, for the past 5 years, there was a pilot program of Rotary International in 5 countries. That is a WINS. So WINS means water, sanitation, and hygiene, as you all know. Now, that is continue from next year, not as winds. Winds will be going to be only a part of the water, sanitation and hygiene. There is going to be two verticals. One is water and another is sanitation and hygiene. Mostly today we will be covering water only. In water also, there are 5 verticals. Okay. Mainly water, we call it, this is a life sustainer. That importance we are giving to this water. Coming to the statistics point of view, 75% of earth is covered by water and only 3% is we are using for the drinking purposes. Actually, there was a Rotary India Conservation Trust has formed under the head of Sushil Ji, and that is going on. They are supporting how to conserve water in next 5 years. That is also going on. That is an important trust. They will be giving ideas and other things. Apart from this, we are having 5 verticals on water. WATER. I will explain one by one. W means watershed development. A means awareness. T means transformation of water bodies. E means how efficiently we can use water. And R means rainwater harvesting. I will come one by one. First, we can take W, that is watershed development. This means already there are degraded ponds and watershed bodies. So we have to improve that. Reduce the soil erosion, check dams, we have to improve the check dams, so etc. This comes under this first vertical, watershed development. This watershed have to be developed so that we can get good waters. In Tamil Nadu, already 150 check dams are there. So we have to improve this number. So we have to get lot of check dams. So the target for the next 5 years will be 10,000 check dams in this vertical. This is about the watershed development, first vertical. Then next comes the second vertical, that is awareness. This is an important point. We Rotarians have to play a major role. That is giving awareness, educate the people. So regarding the water management, as you all know, we are bad in water management. So there must be a behavior change to use how to manage the water. Don't minimum waste of water, etc. Through seminars, education, and through other like the Zoom meetings. So we have to educate the children through our Rotarians, through Rotractors, through Interactors, whatever the media we have. The target for the next year will be 5 million people have to be educated in this regard. That is the awareness program, second vertical. We are going to the third vertical. The third vertical is transformation of water bodies. Transformation means we are having so many lakes, ponds, bore wells, etc. But they are not properly used. So we have to improve. We have to go there and the lakes will be improved. The ponds, they have to be bit upon so that the water level, groundwater level, we have to improve. Also, in this point, the transformation of water body means we have to improve the drainage facilities. As you all know, in major cities and in major villages, the drainage is very improper. Mainly, the polluted water will come to the main water stream. So these have to be avoided. We can improve upon this by doing a lot of connections with the government. So transformation of water bodies is 10,000 is the target till 2025. So we have to transform all these lakes into the improved one. Then fourth vertical, we are going to the efficient use of water. So we already know water is not efficiently used so far. So we have to reduce the consumption. For example, we all know during our shaving and all, we use the water just like that. Our tap is not closed. So like that. So in every aspect, every point, we have to educate that the water must be used as efficiently as well. So efficient use of water is plays an important role. Another efficient use